Welcome to Bitcoin Daily, the channel which brings you every day the newest and hottest tokens on the blockchain. Today we are talking about Shiba Watch. SHIBAW is the shortcut. It is on Binance Smart Chain. This token already on the blockchain 3 days and it is performing right now very nice. 2 days on CoinGecko listed in the last 24 hours, 150% pumping. And you can buy this token for sure on PancakeSwap. And let's have a look on this project, Shiba Watch. Very interesting project for the community, a platform governed by smart contracts to help potential investors make an informed decision on recently launched tokens. Our service includes KYC, audit of new listings, and review of listed tokens. So that's nice, guys. It is not only a meme token, it is something special. They are watching which kind of tokens are out and give their thumbs up or thumbs down what they think specially. Governed by smart contracts or auctions, actions such as voting, listing of coins, and payment will be done through our smart contracts, which guarantees ownership and transparency. Help you make decisions. Your upcoming platform provides in-depth analysis about listed coins to help you making decisions on investing. Deflationary and rewarding. The token is designed to be more scarce over time and rewards holders with BUSD that you can utilize. So that's nice, guys. If you hold this token, you get some BUSD if you just hold this token, the SHIBAW token. New listings, looking for a new coin? We have you back. We actively source out for new coins so you can be the first to know. Tokenomics. Passive BUSD rewards. Holder will be entitled to 7% BUSD rewards. Constant buyback. When price is stagnant, buyback will be done to increase price. Order liquidity. A percentage will be added back into the liquidity pool, increasing floor price. Marketing, for sure we need that, guys, to spread the word about Shiba Watch. And this is a screenshot how it will look. Their mask, how you can see new tokens and their votings for these tokens. So I'm sure this is quite nice. Maybe it makes some decisions easier to step into a new project. Token disruption, initial supply 1 quadrillion Shiba, pre-sale 60%, marketing, development wallet 2 and 3%, 5% private sale, and initial burn already 30%. FAQs, how will Shiba Watch platform work? Our platform will not just list new coins, but it will have comprehensive auditing services, KYC, and ensure sufficiency. Data is there for investors to make informed decisions. We help to analyze many factors such as pre-fill information, social media strings, engagements, and more. Shiba Watch tokens can only be used to pay for services to ensure price is kept constant and healthy. What else will Shiba Watch ecosystem include in the future? Please look at our roadmap for more information. So here's the roadmap. They want for sure an NFT marketplace and development of a P2E game, listing on multiple ZACs, launch of P2E game, development of future features chosen by community. So that's nice. Here community also have to see a word where the project is going. Very interesting here, the light paper. It is a short white paper with 4 sides, but they have all the very important information in some sentence here. Scams are prevalent in the crypto space, most specifically in the Binance Smart Chain space, due to the inexpensive gas fee and easy of create BEP tokens. That's right, guys. While this is unsolved, ShibaWatch aims to be a platform for investors to assess whether tokens are safe to invest in. The platform will have features such as a coin listing, social media strange assessment, rating of coins, and whether the team is doxxed or KYC verified. The platform will also have features as NFT marketplace, ShibaWatch Swap, staking lending platform, and P2E games. So that's it, guys. That's it about this project right now. What they offer us, I think it is something new, something fresh. It is not just a meme token. It is a token where you can invest and sleep good at night if they do what they say, right? Shiba Watch verification. Here another data here on IDOpresales.com, their contract, and again overall this token. They have a Telegram group right now with 3,300 members and 930 right now online. This number seems to be very real. We have here near 900 followers on Twitter, and let's have a look on the actual chart. It is a 1 hour chart. Every candle represents here 1 hour, and I say to you guys, I think this project have a good future, because there's something behind this project also. They have some aims. It's not just go to the moon, right? It is, they want to build here something, a service for the ones who are interested like us to invest in new projects, right? And this will be a platform I will look on the future, in the future, on this platform. I hope they still exist then, and we can make some nice profits with them, right? Shiba Watch, let me know what you think about this project. Right now I'm invested in the project, but don't throw all your money inside. I tell you guys, we never know what future every project have, right? And let me know what you think about this project. Write down into the comments. Leave me a like and maybe subscribe to this channel. It will help a lot to show you every day the newest and hottest tokens on the blockchain. Until next video, I wish you the very best profits, guys, and see you in the next video. Bye.